Hello, everybody, and thank you very much for following me in my adventure in my kitchen and hopefully in your kitchen too. I wanted to take this opportunity to wish you all a very, very happy new year. I know I have a bit silence for a while, but catering took over my life and many other things and little adventures here. So, I hope you have a really, really good start of this year and you keep on baking and cooking. I know at this time of the year, everybody wants to have a little diet time, and I totally understand that. But I just wanted to really express how grateful I am for you to follow me and to become a subscriber and to share my recipe and to communicate with me from time to time and telling me how good the recipes are and how well you like it. So keep on doing it. I know some of you contact me through my email, some others contact me through the Instagram account, so don't hesitate. Please share them. That's what they're here for. So that's for this year. So coming up, there'll be different recipe again. I'm going with the flow, my flow, in a sense that I know most of you follows me are either in the States or in Europe, so it's cool for you. So someone sent me a message about the beef bourguignon and making that. It's great, and I'm glad you like it and love it and do it. Some people are still sending me photos of their sourdough baking. I know the prawn vol au vent is very popular as well, the raspberry coulis. So I'm gonna keep it in that edge so far, teaching you to be more confident and skillful in your own kitchen. Now, I'd love to do a galette like everybody does because the Epiphany is the entire month of Jan. But I must say, we had a heat wave in Perth and it's 42 degrees on average or 40 degrees on average for the past 2 to 3 weeks. So it's quite hot for puff pastry and my aircon is very, very struggling. So am I myself. So I'm giving that a break and there's a lot of things coming. So next few weeks we are going to do different stuff. I'm going to go back to a classic soon. That will be the next recipe ready, and that will be I'm showing you the secret of my little fudgy chocolate slice brownie and the little twist I do to it. I will also show you in the next few weeks how to make a basket cheesecake. But again, you can find the same recipe everywhere and everybody does it the same way. I'm going to show you how I twist it a little bit for my own taste and my clients. As I said, I'm going to have a bit of catering coming up, so bear with me. This year is going to be a little bit hectic with the recipe, but I'll try my best to be with you. So as usual, don't forget to subscribe, write some comments, again contact me. Whether through Instagram at Cooking with Frenchy, via my email or website cookingwithfrenchy@gmail.com. I'm always there and I can always answer some question if you have any doubts. So again, one more time, thank you from the bottom of my heart. I wish you all the best for 2022. Best wishes, good health, and hopefully we get rid of COVID and we can start to travel again. So for all the WA followers, good luck and stay tuned. Subscribe, love it, share it, and I'll see you next time.